Hello, bacha. Let us solve this question here. Here the question says that if A is an invertible matrix of order 3, then which of the following is not true here? So here we have first option is determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A whole square. And next option is A inverse whole inverse equal to Y. And the third option is if BA is equals to CA, then B is not equal to C, where B and C are square matrices of order 3. Next, AB inverse, that is AB whole inverse equal to B inverse into A inverse, where B is a matrix of order 3 cross 3 and determinant of B is not equal to 0 here. Now let us see which of the following option is not true. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए the key concept that I'm going to use here is, so here we have that the first property that I'm going to apply, determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but the determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. Okay, here n stands for what? Here n stands for the order of matrix A here. Order of matrix A here. Okay, and next, moving forward, the second property that I'm going to use here is if we have AB whole power n, okay, where this can be written as B power n into A power n. So this one we can apply when A and B both are invertible matrix. Okay, both should be what here? Both should be invertible matrix. And next what here? Both should have the same order. Okay, invertible matrix of same order. Then we can apply the AB whole inverse property. Now moving forward to the actual solution. So from starting from the option A consists the determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A square here. Okay, so now since from the question they mentioned that A is an invertible matrix of order 3. Okay, so now taking this as equation number 1 and moving forward, since we know that a determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so now let us take this as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can tell what here? We can tell that the determinant of A whole square is equals to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. So from this we are getting n minus 1 equal to 2. So n we are getting 3. So n is nothing but the order of matrix, the given matrix 3. So that's what they given us. So from this we can conclude that option A is correct because we got n value as 3, and in the question they also mentioned that the order of matrix is 3. Okay, so from this option A is correct. Now moving forward, next we have option B, that is A inverse whole inverse is equals to A here. Okay, since A is an invertible matrix, so we can directly mention that A inverse whole inverse will be equal to A here. So from this we can conclude that option B is also correct. Option B is also correct. Okay, now if I go for option D first, so if we have AB whole inverse, this one will be equal to B inverse and A inverse. So this we can apply when A and B both should be invertible. Okay, invertible matrix, and that too of same order. So here you can see this of same order. Since you can see they mentioned that B is also with the order 3 cross 3 and A is also with the order 3 cross 3, and they mentioned that determinant of B is not equal to 0, which means B is also invertible. So A and B both are invertible and same, and which is of same order. So from this we can tell what here, that option D is also correct here. Okay, option D is also correct. Now if I go for option C, that is if BA is equals to CA, then B is not equal to C they given us. So let us check. So for this what I will do means I'm just multiplying with A inverse, that is post multiplying with A inverse, that it's going to be BAA inverse is equals to CAA inverse. So from this we can write what here, B is equals to C, since we have what here, A inverse value is going to be what, I. Okay, so we got B is equals to C when BA is equals to CA, but they mentioned that when BA is equals to CA, then B is not equal to C. So from this we can write what, if BA is equals to CA, then B is not equal to C is not true, here. So from this we can conclude that option C is not true. So option C is the given correct option for the given question here. I hope this understood you well. Thank you so much. All the best.